Huh? Oh my.
So nice. Oh, yeah, camera. Oh my god. Oh, plastic. Cool. Yeah, plastic. Look at the camera. Oh my god. Nice camera. Oh, plastic. Yeah. It's in front.
This is the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max here. We've got it in this lovely orange color. We've got, of course, that triple camera system with the 48 megapixel dual fusion cameras. And as you can see, this is all aluminum build. We do have the camera control still there. And also this is, the ceramic shielding front and back, 3x protection, three times better than what we had last year, which is great. A bigger battery. We also have a brand new Apple created vapor chamber. So gamers, we're going to love this while we're gaming here. Then we're looking at the camera here. We go into the camera. It's going to fire up camera control. And look at that. That brand new 4x and 8x zoom here because of those new cameras at the back. It looks pretty dope. I like it. Can't wait to try it out. And I'm about to pass
Huh?
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Plastic. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Oh. Yeah, camera. Oh my god. Oh, plastic. Cool. Yeah, plastic. Buat lo kenapa? Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh, plastic. Yeah. It came from